Morning students, today we are going to see about the involute of a square and other polygon surfaces. So first we need to draw the square. So for that in polygon I am going to choose polygon. So it asks for number of sides. So the sides of a square is 4. So enter. So it asks for either the center or the edge. So since we are giving the length of the side, so I am going for edge E, enter. So first point. So next we have to define the length. So I am giving as 40 mm and enter. So we get the square of size 40 mm. Now we have to draw the involutes. For involute, we have to multiply each side. So total perimeter is so since the side is 40 mm, the perimeter is 160. So from the first point, we have to give 160. Yeah. So this is the final and the end point. So first point we take here. So the length will be around 40. Then it's around 80. Then it's around 120. And the final will be 160. So we have to connect all these points using this spline command. So splin is spline. So first point starting from here, we have to connect all the points and then give enter. So this is the involute of a square. So next we go for the involute of a polygonal surfaces of side 5. So the polygon which has number of sides 5 is pentagon. So we have to going to draw again pentagon with the edge E, enter. So the first point is we have to give the length. Again we go for the length 40. Yeah. So this is the 40 mm polygon having the pentagon size. So similarly we have to repeat the same process. So here from here to so 5 sides, so 5 into 40 it's around 200. And the first point, yeah, the first point should be parallel. So F8. So the parallel lines will be indicated by a violet line. So it's around 40. Yeah. The second line should be around 80. So we give for 80. Then 120. Then 160. Since we take the reference line, it will be easier for us to get the parallel lines. Yeah, 160. If we have to connect these points, then we get the involute of a pentagon. So spline, first point, second point, third point, fourth point, and sorry, fifth point and sixth point. Yeah. So this is the involute of a pentagon. Thank you, students.